This recipe has different names all over the country. Laswa, Utan Bisaya, Inabraw, Dinengdeng, and a lot more. But today, we will call it Nilagang Gulay. Let's start cooking! This recipe is part of the Simpol Dishkarte cookbook. Now available in Lazada, Shopee, National Bookstore, and fully booked. It's very simple. You just use whatever vegetables you have at home. And usually, pinipitas lang namin to sa garden growing up. Meron tayong tubig dito, pot of boiling water. Better dito, hugas, bigas yung gamitin mo. And first, we will infuse our hot water with our aromatics, luya, ginger, onions, tomatoes. So ito, we are making a very nice broth. So ang diskarte natin dito is to cook with the right timing. So pinakamatigas na vegetables, unahin. And yung pinakamabilis, like na mga dahon-dahon natin, yun ang huli. No? Isusunod ko yung ating gabi. Ito yung pangpalapot ng ating sabaw. So let that boil for a few minutes hanggang medyo lumambot na yung ating gabi because we want the gabi to be slightly mashed. Pero medyo may body yung ating soup. Yan, ang ating gabi medyo malambot-lambot na ng konti. What is next? Our kalabasa, good for the eyes. So ito, you can use whatever vegetables you have at home. So simple lang ng konsepto. Pot of boiling water, add all your vegetables. So pumunta ka sa palengke, bili ka 5 piso na ganito, 10 piso na ganyan, and you'll be able to compose this very delicious soup. And now, I will add my shredded fish. Yan, pwede ding fresh hipon. Some people add fresh na isda. Don't forget to season with a little salt. We will add our eggplants. And look at that, no? Ang broth na naging richer and richer because all the vitamins are already being infused into our sabaw. Sitaw, long beans, okra, and yung pangtimpla namin dito is yung katas ng, you can use patis or in this case, bagoong na isda. Pero in Cebuano, we call it una, no? Yung katas ng ginamos. Ginamos is the fermented fish, no? Or bagoong na isda. So, ito yung katas niya. Hindi kasama yung laman. So, now is a good time to add our leafy vegetables. Yung gagawin natin, alugbati. And we will add our malunggay. Dapat more malunggay. Malunggay is life. Pero ito, yung style ko dito, ito siya. I will now turn off the heat, no? So, ito siya. Hindi ko halos papakuluan yung aking leafy vegetables, but because my broth is already very hot, I will just let that sit in the hot pot for a few minutes before serving. Para yung vitamins ng ating malunggay hindi maubos, no? Hindi mawala dahil sa mataas na temperature. Ito, aking vegetables, tingnan mo. That will continue to cook. Pero titikman ko kung tama na ba yung lasa, no? If I had to add a little bit more patis or salt. Nice. Very nice. Look at that. Beautiful soup, rich, flavorful, healthy. So much fiber. Ang ating recipe with so many names, call it whatever you want. But for today, a simple principle, pakulo lang ng ating gulay, may sabaw ulam na tayo, nilagang gulay, Simpol!